Let's have a quick look at the Liqui Moly 2332 high-tech 5W40 engine oil. Is full synthetic for gasoline and diesel vehicles, which right here is the 5 liter. I use this along with this liter right here, along with another liter to add into my N54 engine with twin turbos. Since I've upgraded my turbos 5 years ago, I've been using Liqui Moly for all my oil changes. Since I upgraded my twin turbos, I had to go with a thicker viscosity from a 5W30 to a 5W40. Not only is it made in Germany, but it's also engineered for European vehicles. Here's the product in closer detail and more information. Also, the unique horse spout. It makes it simpler to pour and it makes less mess. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.